Welcome to the universe, where incredible things happen every day. But have you ever wondered what it's all made of? Let me introduce you to the two main ingredients of the cosmic recipe: matter and energy. Imagine matter as the Lego blocks of the universe. It's the stuff that forms everything, from the tiniest particles to the grandest celestial bodies. It's the very fabric of you, me, and everything we see around us. On the other hand, energy is akin to batteries. It's the invisible yet potent force that powers everything. It illuminates your home, fuels your car, and even lights up the distant stars twinkling in the night sky. These two components, matter and energy, are the building blocks of the universe. And within this vast expanse, galaxies swirl like giant families of stars. Each of these galaxies is a bustling metropolis of billions of stars, shrouded in clouds of gas and dust, where new stars are constantly being born. In the universe, galaxies are like giant families of stars, swirling around together. Each galaxy has billions of stars, along with clouds of gas and dust where new stars are born. But there's more to the universe than just stars and galaxies. There's also something called dark matter, which we can't see because it doesn't give off any light. Now, this might sound like something straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's very much a part of our reality. Dark matter is an elusive, invisible substance that makes up about 27% of our universe. You might be thinking, if it's invisible, how do we even know it's there? Great question. The answer lies in the gravitational effects we observe. Dark matter, although invisible, exerts a gravitational pull on visible matter. This pull can bend the path of light and cause galaxies to spin faster than they should, given the amount of visible matter they contain. These observations hint at the existence of more matter than we can see, hence the term dark matter. Now, if dark matter wasn't mysterious enough, let's delve into an even more enigmatic concept: dark energy. This is not your ordinary energy. It's an unseen force that permeates all of space and is believed to be the reason behind the accelerating expansion of the universe. Unlike gravity, which pulls objects towards each other, dark energy seems to do the exact opposite. It pushes things apart. Imagine blowing up a balloon. As you blow air into it, the balloon expands, and the dots on its surface move further away from each other. That's somewhat akin to what dark energy does to the universe. Dark energy is thought to make up about 68% of the universe, dwarfing both normal matter and dark matter combined. Yet, despite its prevalence, it remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. We don't know what it is or why it exists, but it's there, silently shaping the fate of the cosmos. And then there's dark energy, which is causing the universe to expand faster and faster. We don't know much about it yet, but we're trying to learn more every day. It's a fascinating, perplexing, and humbling reminder of how much more there is to discover about the universe we inhabit. All these things, matter, energy, dark matter, and dark energy, come together to form what we call the cosmic web. Imagine, if you will, the universe as a grand cosmic ballet, with each dancer, be it a star, galaxy, or even a nebula, intricately connected to the others by an invisible web. This is the cosmic web we're talking about, a fascinating network of intergalactic highways, if you will. In this grand cosmic dance, the galaxies are not randomly strewn across the universe. Rather, they trace an intricate, almost ethereal pattern that spans the entire cosmos. This pattern, this cosmic web, is not just a fascinating concept, it's a fundamental part of our universe. It's the roadmap of the cosmos, showing us where matter has clustered together to form galaxies, and where the vast voids, regions devoid of any galaxies, lie. And so, the cosmic web is not just about connectivity. It's about understanding the distribution of matter and energy across the universe. It's like a giant spider web that stretches across the universe, connecting everything together. We've come a long way in understanding the universe, but there's still so much we don't know. Our knowledge of the cosmos has evolved exponentially, yet it's like we've only just scratched the surface of an infinitely vast cosmic ocean. Today, we know that the universe is a complex tapestry woven from matter, energy, dark matter, and dark energy. We've mapped galaxies, peered into the heart of stars, and glimpsed the birth of new celestial bodies. But there are still mysteries that elude us, cosmic riddles that continue to challenge our best minds and most advanced technologies. Every day, scientists across the globe are working tirelessly to unravel these enigmas. With each discovery, we inch closer to understanding our place in the cosmos, yet the journey is far from over. The universe is a grand puzzle waiting to be solved, a testament to our innate curiosity and drive to explore. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember that you're not just looking at pretty lights. You're looking at the building blocks of the universe and the incredible forces that hold it all together.